Why y'all insist on, like, praising this man? Vybz is a demon. You can look at him and...
A major debate has erupted online after American streamer Tasha K made controversial comments about Vybz Kartel. During a live stream, Tasha K referred to the dancehall superstar as a demon, while questioning why so many fans continue to support him. Those remarks quickly spread across social media and triggered strong reactions from the Jamaican community. Supporters of the Worl boss say the comments are disrespectful and show a misunderstanding of Kartel's impact on dancehall culture. Others argue that public figures should expect criticism when their past controversies are discussed. Now the conversation is spreading online, with fans on both sides debating the issue. But the real question is, did Tasha K cross the line with those comments? Like, subscribe on Sonic Snap.
Why y'all insist on, like, praising this man? Vybz is a demon. You can look at him and tell. Like, when I heard what he did to get locked up for, like, I couldn't believe it. It was about something chopping up somebody. I don't know. They said they had him on video with a chainsaw. I don't know. Don't get me to lie. I don't like to go down that road. But what I do know is that men like this are the men that everybody want. I don't understand how y'all want them. I don't get how anybody is going on their knees to pull down his pants. Oh my God. His pants. Oh my God. He ain't been out of jail 2 years. That white woman from the UK helped him to get out of jail. Even moved to Jamaica to help, you know, speed up his case and things like that. She worked really hard to get that man out of jail. Turning back black and got him back on the road doing shows, got his health back. You know, he had hypothyroidism, so he was losing weight by the pound, looking even worse than what he was before. Probably spent her time and her money to get him out. And then this is how he repays her.
Miami life, we're outside. You're right, yo, look there.
Why I thought that was Blueface baby mama Stewie at first. Didn't you think that was Stewie Jasmine? She looked just like her. I just don't know. I guess maybe he used this one and disposed of her. This is what I mean, like when y'all go for all the men that make 7, 8 figures and stuff, you got to share them. They don't even be the best looking men. The reason they get out here and they move with multiple women is because they lack insecurity. It makes them feel like they are somebody when they're constantly in ADHD relationships. Somebody pray for his wife.